Hello and welcome to Badger Build. We are gathered here today to celebrate the making of a so-called ugly drum smoker. Well, maybe it won't turn out so ugly after all. I like smoking, I like cooking caveman style, I like meat, and I've been looking forward to doing this for quite some time now. And yeah, I'll talk you through the design and then we'll get cracking. This is my drum. It was used for food, I think. Smells quite nice. It's in pretty good nick. And obviously we have to burn off the paint and paint it with some heat resistant paint. And the design is pretty straightforward. We'll be using 1/2-inch ball valves for the air intakes. We'll be mounting outlets on the top of the drum, and as for the cold basket or fire basket, I'm too lazy to make one, so we'll use a bucket. Of course the bucket needs some holes, but we'll get there. Yeah, the tools I'll be using are pretty straightforward. And what I'm really trying to show is that with very limited tools, very limited knowledge and some very basic skills, you can make one and you can enjoy it. So yeah, power drill, obviously, a hammer, a knife, some basic stuff. We'll put a handle on the lid so it's easier to operate. We'll be using 2 rebars or threaded rods to hang the meat or whatever we'll be smoking. Some drills, a step drill for the fittings, and that's basically it. Our first step is to mark where the fittings will go from the height of the bucket. I reckon somewhere here, and we'll be mounting 2 1/2-inch ball valves and a 1-inch intake, which we can close, and this will give me better control over the temperature, because I want to be able to smoke the meat and I want to be able to cook it as well. And with the valves I can regulate the air intake and the temperature. We'll be also installing a thermometer, obviously, so we know what's going on inside. So as for the ball valves, it's 9 inches. Yep. And we should not forget to remove the gaskets, the seal. Now that we've punched the holes, we'll drill them and make them right diameter with this step drill. I won't bore you with all the details. See you in a while. So as you can see, the first hole is drilled and the ball valve is test fitted. And this is how we'll be regulating the air intake to the smoker. I have tested the thermometer. This is how it's gonna look on the inside. All the 3 intake holes are in place, and I've just had some friends over who are very disappointed that I will be not making moonshine. So far we have pre-drilled all the holes, test fitted all the intake fittings, and well, I'm basically ready to burn off the paint. Now, I could get a big fire started and just let it do the work for me, but I'm a bit short on firewood. I know winter is coming, so let's give it a test with a torch. There's always the last pocket, ain't it? There we go. If it doesn't work, I'll have to go back to the drawing board and find some firewood. Yeah, see you in a couple of hours. So as you can see, the torch worked really well. No, in all honesty, it did work, but it would have taken forever. So I decided to make a fire after all. A new day has dawned and the barrel looks quite good. I let the fire burn for the better part of the night and well, it worked pretty well. We have to do something about the bottom and some spots on the top, but other than that we are golden. We use the torch again, burn off the remaining paint, then we'll sand it, some sanding paper, sanding block, wipe it with acetone, and then we'll paint it with some heat resistant paint. And well, that's the plan for today. I think it'll do the job nicely. Does not flex too much. Should be able to hold some weight. Okay, welcome back. It's been a few days. I test fired the smoker. It did really well. I need to make a couple minor adjustments and then it's basically ready. It keeps a steady temperature, it's perfect for smoking. I can't get it quite hot enough to roast the meat, so we'll be mounting this 1-inch intake after all, and since I don't have a 1-inch drill bit, I'll just make a hole and then widen it with a cutting disc on my Dremel tool. I trace the outline of the nipple on paper, stuck it to the barrel, and we'll just get this mounted. Okay, it looks like we're ready to go. As you can see, I have installed the 1-inch intake on the front. So you can see I have raised the ball valves by 50 centimeters in order to keep them cool because they have plastic seals in them. This is how the fire basket looks like. As I've told you before, I test fired the smoker. It works really well. Yeah, and we'll get smoking. If you have enjoyed the video, please leave a comment, tell me how you liked it, and we'll see where this channel takes us. I have some build ideas, I have taken up knife making recently, I have some ideas floating around about blacksmithing. So yeah, we'll see, and I'll show you the firing of the smoker and the smoking of the meat in another video. Bye.